I need to do something about that. Did not realize that was just sitting on there like that. Alright, so we are going to get the steering gearbox put back into the Cadillac truck, the Ramptruck, and then hopefully steering works. That's going to be the question. I'm not 100% sure that this is going to work. It should, though. Everything looked right. So we're going to go ahead and get this put back in, and that'll probably be the wrap-up on this whole Ramptruck endeavor. So we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy put back in the truck, get the pitman arm hooked back up, get the steering linkage actually put into it. Let's see, it's tight. Little inputs. There it goes. Little inputs. That's good. So yeah, go ahead and get this thing put together on the truck, and we'll go ahead and get things steering again. So I'm going to go set this thing up and then bring it out and do a do. So being the fact that moving that Ramp truck back in is not an easy job, and I don't want to move it in just to do this, and I don't have the tractor here to do it anyhow. We're gonna go do it outside, which is gonna suck. Don't break my glove. I hate trying to get all dirty. This, and now to figure out how the hell I'm gonna lay up in here and do this. Now I just need to... Mother shit. Where'd it even go? Just completely lost it. Wow, another fucking set of hands would be really helpful here. Right now. Oh shit! Look, balls. That's weird. Oh shit. You have no idea what you guys are looking at because the camera keeps falling off my head. Oh, top one threaded right in. Would you just look at that? All right, let's see what this is. 15 money. Does not help that I put a bunch of crap in here. Oh, damn it. Okay. Let's go ahead and crawl under and get the set screw in on the bottom. Okay, that is done. Put you through there. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Not yet, because I need to put the cover on. How does my steering wheel line up? Yo, because we're pretty much straight. Definitely some play in it, which I think I can take out if I adjust it, because I had it set kind of loose. Money. Okay. Okay. A little more. Huh. Okay. Steering. Done. A bolt out of something. We got the intake, I don't know. I'll put it right there. Right. Yep. Okay. Oh, That's where it was from. The intake. Which I'm none too concerned about right now. Alright. Well, should really put that screw back in, but whatever. Uh-oh. Probably should fix that one of these days. Oh yeah, we have steering. It's a little loose, but that can be tightened up. All right. So quick little video. Wasn't too bad. Truck steers now, and that's everything we really wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and mow the lawn, I guess, because that's what time it is, and leave you on there to the next one. So that's about the last video we're gonna do on the ramp truck for a while until I figure out if we're moving or not, or what's gonna go on with our lives. Right now the ramp truck's really wrapped up and able to be put on the big trailer and taken to wherever we're going. So once we figure out what's going on with that, we'll either bring it back in and go with it, or it'll move, and one day we'll get to it. But it's really close to being done. We just need to move the rear wheels back, do a drive shaft, do a little bit of plumbing and some stuff like that, and it'll run and drive and be a good truck. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think of this type of thing. And like I said, let me know what project needs to be the first project we get back into once we start working on projects again. So the Z, or the ramp truck, or the Subaru, or whatever. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.